everyone, in today's video I will show you how to find and share your Substack link. So let's get started. First, open your browser and search for substack.com. Log in with your credentials and once you are in, go to the dashboard because your Substack URL is usually in the dashboard. As you can see here in the address bar, top of your screen, your URL. So just select your URL and press Ctrl plus C, or you can give a right click and you will see the option of copy. So now it's ready to paste. You can share your link via email, Twitter, LinkedIn, or your personal website to reach more readers. So that's it. Sharing your Substack is easy and powerful now. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.